ALL-Conec trains 10 surgical guides. Based on DeHank's experience operating surgical guide centers and producing guide kits, we developed Norwegian surgical guide software and a platform-based web viewer solution. Leaders Dental One establishes allguide business unit. Dentium Corefront operates guide centers in Japan. Participation in the IDS exhibition in Germany. Surgical guide solutions. Surgical guide CAD software development. Establishment of ALLCONEC Corporation. Combination of CAD software and platforms and integration with existing hardware. ASTEM Dentium Guide Kit Development. Neobiotech Hong Kong Guide Center Operation. Various implants development of guide kits. Participation in New York exhibition. Dental Laboratory Commission's digital platform development. Poor communication with dental clinics can lead to surgical failures, creating awkward situations for the dentist, and can also diminish the credibility of implant companies. Distrust in surgical guides leads to stressful implant procedures, and a decline in implant confidence leads to expensive and inconvenient surgical guides. ALLCONEC surgical guides make guided surgery smarter. We build surgical guides with AI-based CAD software, and use the platform to 3D check the manufacturing process and positioning, enabling medical staff to select a more advanced surgical guidance environment. All digital. Symptoms, consultations. 1-hour dental treatment. All connected cloud-based digital dental platform surgical guide production system. All-in-one from intraoral scanners to IoT 3D printing. An all-in-one platform that completes the surgical guide workflow. We provide a dental laboratory platform service that connects prosthetic protocols from intraoral scanners to 3D printers in a single, seamless process. 10-minute patient information collection, 5-minute guide center transfer, cloud storage, 5-minute in-office implant diagnosis or guide center analysis, 40-minute web viewer confirmation followed by IoT 3D printing transfer, 1-hour in-house 3D printing, and same-day surgical guide surgery. Providing CAD software for patient implant consultations helps increase dental sales and patient trust, thereby boosting dental clinic revenue. Same-day surgical guide solutions allow us to offer a differentiated implant guide solution. The web viewer allows dentists to directly review the surgery in 3D, and technicians can overcome the uncertainty caused by confirmation requests, thereby increasing guide productivity. Order management platform, unifying data flow and improving the efficiency of guided production management. Transitioning from analog prosthesis management to digital prosthesis production management streamlines the flow of prosthesis and patient data, and maximizes prosthesis production efficiency. ERP system for order management of prosthetic materials. Dental Digital Center computerizes prosthetic surgical guide production orders. Manage real-time production status and schedules for ordered prosthetic surgical guides. Optimize human resources, material management, and efficiency based on prosthetic surgical guide order volumes and production volumes. Patient data management cloud. We build cloud servers and operate ordering systems for scan and CT order management. We operate regional data centers around the world, ensuring fast transfer speeds for optimal internet connectivity. We manage dental-specific orders and patient data with a reliable backup and recovery system and maintain security. Remote IoT 3D printer automatically 3D prints custom prosthetics, integrated with ERP systems and real-time collaboration solutions. We offer a 24/7 prosthetics production system that transcends borders and time. Quality control is achieved through 3D printing, quality management, and error detection at the center.